Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make GIF using video. So let's get started. First, what you're going to do here is you have to go to v.io, and this is what it looks like. You just have to log in if you have an account. If you don't have, then sign up. Now upload the file here or the video that you want to create or turn into GIF or GIF. So for example, this one. Now what you're going to do next is to go to your video and then trim or split it into the video that you want to use. After that, you just have to move the video to the beginning. Now once you have moved your video right here, so you have moved your video. Now what you're going to do is go to settings and then click this resize for social media. Or you can try this canvas to fit and center, fill and crop, or you can also change the background if you want. So feel free to choose the social media application where you want to post this one. There's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Everything is there, so all you have to do is just select. So once you have found that perfect size, then you can now proceed. Now here's the thing, after you have chosen the size or you have resized the video here according to where you're going to upload this one, you can now proceed to text, and then here you can simply look for the text style that you're going to use, for example this one, and then feel free to type anything, for example hello everyone. You can change the text, the font style, the size, the style, the animation. Everything is up to you. You can also add background, text outline, text shadows. Okay, and then once done, and then the result will be right here, and all you have to do is to drag it anywhere in the video. Another is you can now add elements if you want, so feel free to search that element that you want to insert here or add here. Once done, all you have to do is to click done. Then when you click this, and then you will have the option if you're going to download this as video or if you're going to download this as GIF. But I think you have to upgrade your plan in order for you to see that download to GIF option. But at this time, I have only this explore video. But once you have upgraded your plan, and you should see this download as a GIF or download as video. As easy as that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.